Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Naila. Today I'm creating Desi X Korean makeup tutorial. So first I clean my face with a wet tissue. Then I'm applying a very lightweight moisturizer because I have oily skin. If you have dry skin, then definitely try to use a thick moisturizer. After moisturizer, I'm applying primer. This much primer is enough for my face. I apply primer on my T-zone where I have sweats. So like my nose and my forehead, I'm applying primer. After primer, I'm applying foundation. First I apply foundation on my hand, then take a foundation brush like this, then apply on my face. Never apply foundation directly on your face. First apply on your hand, then take a brush and then apply on your face. If you apply foundation like this, then your base looking very flawless and very fresh. Then blend with a beauty blender. Blending foundation is little bit time consuming, so make sure you have a little bit time when you're doing your makeup. After foundation, I'm applying concealer. I apply concealer under my eyes and my high point of my face, like eyebrows, forehead, nose and mouth area also. Then blend with a small puff. Very gently and slowly blend it, then it's looking very good. Then I'm applying setting powder for set my all the base. Where I'm applying concealer, there I'm using setting powder. After setting powder, I'm contouring my nose very soft and very little bit, not too much. I'm blending with my fingers. Then I'm applying a blush. Here I'm using a liquid blush and blend with a beauty blender. For eyes, I am taking this soft pink eyeshadow and apply on my eyelid. Using this eyeshadow hold my eyelid. Using same eyeshadow, apply on my lower eyelid. For Ikesal, for this Korean eyes, so I quinted my eyes and draw a small line and blending with my finger, so it's look very natural. Then apply a highlighter inside the Ikesal. Then draw my inner corner with a kajal pencil. Using same pencil as the eyeliner. Then I am fill my waterline with a white kajal for a doll effect eyes. It's changed the whole eye makeup. And then after finish my makeup, it's looking very good. I never expect that this makeup done that much good. I'm really satisfied with this makeup. After kajal, I'm applying eyelashes. So this is my first time applying eyelashes, so it's so hard for me to apply eyelashes. So anyhow I managed and I finally did it. At the end it's look like this. Then I'm combing my eyebrows. I have very naturally thick eyebrows, that's why I'm not using any extra product on my eyebrows. I just combing my eyebrows. Then I'm applying lipstick. Here I'm applying a dark red lipstick just in my lower lips and I'm applying a middle of my lips. Then I'm applying lip gloss. After lipstick, I'm applying highlighter on my high points of my face. On my nose also I'm applying highlighter. After applying highlighter on my nose, you can see my nose looking totally different. It's looking more sharp, more pointed. Then I'll apply highlighter in my inner corner. Then last but not the least, I'm applying again Douyin-style Indian touch, and I'm also wearing white. It's also Indian touch. So here is my final look. Thank you so much for watching, and I really love the makeup. It's turned so much prettier and beautiful. I swear, in real life, it looks so much pretty. Just love the makeup.